Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this abstract style I call Metal Mayhem. Alright, the question of the day is, who is John Malevich? Alright, let's run through the colors. Primary yellow, cad yellow, Mars black, titanium white, turquoise phthalo, phthalo green, ultramarine blue, twin blue, Van Dyke brown, raw sienna, quin red, quin orange, pearly red. Alright, we just got done with the first layer. We got some white, we got that in the middle there. That looks pretty good. We have a little bit of yellow coming in there. We're kind of mixing that with the blurry background. We have the yellow kind of pulled through there. That's kind of spread over there. And we'll see what we do in the next layer. We have the nice blue here, and we'll see where that goes next. Sorry, I lost the audio, guys. Alright, for this layer, I think what we're going to do is add maybe a little bit of blue to kind of contrast that. It looks like it's just too yellow. So John Malevich was a famous constructionist painter of the Soviet Union. And he originally started with Cubism, other forms, and he boiled it down to the simple square, which is best known for. And he was actually an art teacher and everything under the early Soviet Union. However, when Stalin rose to power, Stalin kind of switched everything to socialist realism. He lost his job. He was forced to paint realism. All his abstract works were confiscated, considered kind of ending the state artwork, so to say. And so then he got, cancer and died in '35. So kind of a sad history. But yeah, he's one of the founding members of Constructionism during the brief period of when the Soviet Union had the avant-garde art movement before kind of reverting, so to say, to socialist realism. And that's the question of the day. Alright, we just finished painting. Let's take a closer look. So we have this really nice burnt orange, which is mixing into yellow, making it more orange. You have the green underneath, which comes from the quin blue with yellow mix. You get a bold streak of quin blue, which is really dark here. So you have the nice dark contrast, orange into the white over here. A little bit unpainted in that corner. You got this blue into the yellow, so you get a nice green coming out. And, orange obviously top, and the quin blue at the top. This has a lot of chroma to it, so I really like the punchiness of the colors. I'm not sure if I like this big streak of green going across. It's not bad, but it could be more better blended. But you need that contrast, kind of like the gray area where it's kind of a smooth blend versus a really stark green on top of orange is really nice. It does have a nice light to dark kind of balance, I think, with a couple of light areas popping through with a lot of really dark blues. There was this accidental kind of black that slipped in to the paint, so I got a couple of black areas that are kind of blended in with the orange, which is really nice. Yeah, overall I think I like it. It's pretty cool. Probably worth $1 million in about 100 years. Or to be in someone's trash can, one of the two. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting review. Thanks for it. And if you want to see the full version, check out my Patreon account.